Mabuhay.
You now know how Corbin talks.
Actually, whenever you here in the Philippines, when you welcome people and you want to say something good, nice, you just say mabuhay. It's just a one word, mabuhay. But you don't have to go to Welcome Rotonda for that. You can just say mabuhay, okay? Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yeah, mabuhay. Or so Filipino people will really like it. Mahal ko po kayong mga Pilipino or mahal ko po ang Pilipinas.
Sabihin niyo po ulit.
Yeah, mahal. Yeah, you say mahal. So I will give you 719 ratings. Okay, mahal
Mahal
ko
ko
po
po
kayo.
kayo.
Yeah, it's a very respectful way of saying I love you. I love you all. Yeah.
Boss naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Why
I
did you-
love the Filipinos. Mahal ko po kayo.
Po kayo.
Yeah.
Mahal po kayo.
Hindi, mahal ko. Yeah, ko. Mahal ko po kayo. Mahal ko po kayo.
Yes. Thank you.
Mahal yo
Ko po
po
kayo.
kayo.
Yeah, good. I'll give you 730, not only 719, okay?
我说他给你730分。
他给你730分，OK，比你自己的分数更高。
Thank you very much.
Tosha.
Thank you, Mr.
Yeah,
John
here's
Janice.
Janice.
Yes, Miss Janice.